the truth of law of attraction that no one talks about, and that is why manifestation feels so hard. Let's uncover those truths because this video will give you guidance how to manifest properly. Hi beautiful souls, I'm Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. In this channel we talk about self-concept, awareness, mindset shift, and most importantly, know thyself. So if you're interested in these topics, do subscribe and stay tuned. So today we will talk about why manifestation sometimes feels so hard. Why? Because there are certain truths that you are not yet aware of, and this video will unleash all those truths. So let's start with the first truth. You are not attracting your present situation from your thoughts. You are attracting your present situation from your wounds. Now, what all the problems that you face in your life right now is a pattern which you have faced in your childhood or during your adolescence period or at any point of time. And also we have our soul DNA where we come with our karmas and we have to face situations to learn, to evolve. So there's a lot of wounds, right? And the present situation, present reality is a reflection of what it is already there in your conditioning. Now, how to deal with it? Of course, you have to heal your wounds. You have to acknowledge your childhood inner traumas or whatever you have faced in life, your limited beliefs. Once you face your wounds and you acknowledge your wounds, then your mind get a space. And with that space, you can think about the abundant life that you want to manifest. Now, let me tell you, acknowledging your wound is the biggest thing that you will do. Because we keep on blaming life, blaming others, blaming situations. But the key is in our hand. If we just acknowledge it and accept it that for some reason we have received it, let's not blame anybody. And I am ready to release my wounds. And I want to make space in my mind to create the abundant life I want. Second, manifestation without a shadow work is just a fantasy. Trust me. So what is a shadow work? Shadow work is your own versions, own shadows which you don't want to face. Your anger, your guilt, your fear, your jealousy, and certain character that we carry in front of the world. But back of the head, we only know our deepest truth, our deepest demons. And we do not want to face it. This facing of your inner demons is shadow work. Without shadow work, manifestation will feel like, oh, it's such a hard concept. What it is, yeah, nothing is happening. This manifestation is all bogus because you are still holding on to your shadow versions. The versions who will never let you achieve what you want to achieve, manifest what you want to manifest. So, shadow work is important if you want to manifest the abundant life. If you want to know how to do shadow work by yourself, then you can leave a comment below. I want to know how to do shadow work, and I will come up with a video on how to do shadow work by yourself. Now, moving on to the third truth. Your energy speaks louder than your words. Exactly so. So whatever energy you will emit, your frequency, that decides your world. So you are writing all the day in your journal, I'm abundant, I'm abundant, I'm abundant. And the moment there's a scarcity of money, you panic. You hit your nervous system that very moment. And all this panic moment is what your nervous system records. And the moment it records this, the frequency of your abundance, which you have been thinking or writing for so many times, manifesting, journaling, 369 method, everything goes back to zero. Why? Because whenever you do something, your nervous system is the main area which controls your manifestation. If something feels panic, unsafe, you will never be able to manifest that. And that's why I'm telling you, your energy speaks louder than your words. In words, you may be speaking a lot of things, but if your nervous system is not regulated, if your nervous system doesn't feel safe, you will find very hard to manifest anything. And in that regard, you must embody practices that can regulate your nervous system. And if you want to know how to regulate your nervous system to manifest, leave a comment below. I will come up with a video for all you guys. Fourth truth, ignoring your pain will block your alignment. So, in manifestation, the biggest thing is you have to align your energy with your frequency, with the desire's frequency. Simple. Living in the wish fulfilled state. Now, you are constantly ignoring your pain, what you have faced in the past, but you are trying to align. Do you think, are you creating space for this alignment? No. All this manifestation, desires, everything, let me tell you, my dear friend, it is all for your self-development. Yes, desires are like baits. Yes, the truth, the real truth. Desires are like baits for your self-improvements. When you want to achieve something, you make yourself capable enough, and that is your self-achievement. That is your self-improvement. Everything is a part of our soul evolution. So, if you're constantly ignoring your pain, you're just suppressing everything, you're not doing shadow work, you're not acknowledging your pain, whatever happened, taking the full responsibility, because everything that happens in your life, you're responsible for it. Some or the other way. This is not a topic to debate, because this is a cause and effect reality. Everything that happens with you has a cause, because this is the effect, what you are experiencing. So, you are pushing all your pain back. No, that's not gonna align with you with your manifestation. So, start acknowledging your pain, your wounds, and see how you align faster. Now, moving on to the last, number 5, the fifth truth. You must heal the root to change the reality. Let's take an example. So, all your life, your parents, your surroundings have told you that life is hard. You have to work hard to get to the point you want to reach. That's true. It's not working hard, it's the dedication, it's the determination that is actually quote unquote said as hard work. Now, this is your belief system. With this belief system, when you want to attract a better job, a better business, a better career, you will always find whatever you are doing, you're finding it hard to do. You're finding it's difficult to do. And at the end of the day, you will give up all your manifestation techniques. So, the root cause is where it all started. Who told you these limiting beliefs? What was the environment in which you have been conditioned this way? Dig down your mind, write it in your journal, and then just acknowledge it and release it. That's how you will be able to get to the root of your limiting beliefs, and the moment the limiting beliefs are released, space is created for the manifestation. And that's how you can manifest fast. Yes, manifestation is all about mindset shift and nothing more. The moment you create space in your mind, alignment starts happening quickly, and you will feel it, and you will come back to this video and you will thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe if you haven't yet, if you're watching me for the first time. And yes, like this video, share this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.